Hello. Today we're going to take a look at how to create a mezzanine with hidden walls in Cedreo. In the layout step, on the first floor, draw the mezzanine area with hidden walls. These hidden walls will delineate the area of your mezzanine. Then, you can change the parameters of this area with room types. You must choose hopper or empty. Baseboard and ground are unchecked for these rooms. You can rename the room as you want, for example here, mezzanine. After that, you need to go on the ground floor. Click on the room under the mezzanine and, in Room Options, uncheck the ceiling. Your mezzanine is created. You will just have to add the furnishings that you want, like a staircase and railing. That's it. Now, it's your turn. You can contact us if you have any question. The support team is always there to answer you.